Divi machine and ECF Pro is already installed, so we will create the custom post type. So let's have an example as chicken breed. And let's create the field group. Let's name this one as breed information, and then for the field type, let's create or use the gallery. So let's give a name, then save. Before that, let's set the post type is equal to chicken breed. So this is the custom post type that we created. And then let's create the layout for the chicken breed. So let's check this one, and then let's edit the custom body. Let's add the title using this module from Divi machine, and then next is let's add the post content. So we will have basic information of the breed, so and then the last one is the gallery. So we will use this gallery module or slider module from Divi machine. So gallery layout, since we will create or we want a masonry gallery, so we will use grid, and then we will use this one since we are using the SF Pro, and then this is the custom field that we created. So let's exclude the featured image, and then for the grid setting we will select the masonry, then save. Okay, so let's try to add road island red. Let's copy some text. And then this is the gallery. Let's add some photos. And then save. So let's check. So this is now our masonry. This is the title, the description, and then the custom field, gallery, and then we select the masonry layout. Thank you.